If you follow these simple steps, I'm going to show you how to go from zero to your first $10,000 with affiliate marketing with absolutely zero followers. Now, the best part about this is I'm going to show you how you can do this with less than 2 hours per day and how you can turn this into an actual business rather than just a side hustle. Now, my name is Jonathan Montoya, and I was able to use affiliate marketing to get out of my corporate job. So I want you to watch this video not just as another side hustle and something that you're gonna do passively. I want you to think of this as something that will turn your life around and give you the freedom that you deserve. You see, one of the mistakes that I made when I was first starting out with my affiliate marketing journey is I didn't put as much time and effort as I should have. I looked at it as just something I'll do on the side. For that reason, it took me a lot longer to quit my 9-to-5 job. So if you're serious about your freedom, I want you to say freedom down below. Let's get into the video. All right, so step one is figuring out who your target audience is. This could also be who your niche is, but more importantly, if you can figure out who your target audience is, it's gonna make your affiliate marketing business so much easier. You see, when I first started my affiliate business, I was just trying to sell whatever affiliate product to whoever I wanted, and that was such a big mistake, and I wish I knew this in the beginning. Now, if you can figure out who you're serving and who you're trying to help, that's gonna be the biggest difference from someone making very little money to tens of thousands of dollars per month. Now, as an example, I want to talk about who I'm personally serving, and that way you can understand how this step one works, and that way you can use it in your business. Now, for me personally, I'm serving people that are stuck at their 9-to-5 job, someone that is tired of working a job that they hate. They want the freedom. They want to be able to, buy their parents a car, a house. They want to be able to pay off their debt. They want to be able to spend more time with their family. So all these things are the people that I'm serving. So I haven't even talked about the products yet or how we're going to make money, because if we don't know who we're serving, then you don't know who to help. And this business is so powerful, but if you don't know exactly who you're trying to help, then you're not gonna make any money. Now, what I want you to do for this first step is just figure out your type of person that you wanna help and start thinking about all the things that they're thinking about. What are their pains? What are they thinking about at night? What is the dream outcome that they want? If you could answer all those questions in extreme detail, then you'll start to figure out who you're trying to serve. All right, so step two, when you're building your affiliate marketing as a complete beginner, is you have to figure out your niche. Now, typically, most people online say that your niche should be the first thing that you choose, but I disagree with that. It's important to understand who you're serving, and then you can figure out what niche or what subcategory that you want to use for your affiliate business. Now, I want to give you a list of some niches that you can use right away for your affiliate marketing business. All right, some of the most popular niches are beauty, there's photography, there's personal finance or credit repair, mortgage personal finance, there's home security, there's lifestyle, food and beverages, legal and finance, relationships and dating, insurance, real estate and property investments, the traveling niche. Now, my favorite is the online education or make money online niche, basically teaching people how to make money online. Now, let me keep going here. You also got pets, you got health and fitness, which is actually one of the first niches that I got into. And then also you got software or web hosting. And then we got technology and electronics. All right, so step number 3 is modeling the best people in your specific space. Now, notice how we haven't even talked about finding a product yet, because there's so many important steps that you need to do before finding a product that you want to sell. Now, this step is really important. This is gonna help you see results so much quicker. So I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it, but essentially the goal is to find people in your niche and doing something similar to what you wanna do, and we wanna model what they're doing. We don't want to go and create our own roadmap. Essentially, what we want to do is see what the top influencers in our specific space are doing and subscribe to their YouTube channel, follow them on Instagram, find their Facebook groups, and start adding these people. All right, so I want to show you a really clear example. So let's just say that we're targeting women that want to lose weight. Let's just say that is the target audience, that's your niche. So we can start somewhere on YouTube, okay? So you can say how to lose weight for women. And what I would do is I would start looking at the top channels in your niche, okay? You can see I can go over here and start subscribing to every single one of these channels, okay? You got Nella Yoga, then you got the Fit Mother Project, right? Start subscribing to all of these people here, okay? Not only their YouTube channels, right? Most of the time you can go click on their profile and you can go find their Instagrams, right? So as you can see right here, Mish Love, you can go to their Instagram right here. And you want to start to follow these people, right? So follow them on YouTube, follow them on Facebook, right? And you really want to start figuring out, you know, at least the top 10, the top 20 people in your niche, okay? Follow them. See what content they're posting, because as you start to create content, you want to see what's working. Not only just copying the video. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is, for example, in one of her more popular videos, it says here, how to lose weight fast, my 80-pound weight loss journey, right? So we can create titles that are similar, right? What's working, what's not working, right? So for example, you could even go to this person's video, go to her most popular, and you can see what are some of the hooks, right? What is she using in her titles, right? How to lose weight fast, right? How to lose weight without counting calories, right? These are all video ideas that you can create when you start to post videos, okay? And again, this is just one creator, okay? And you want to go and find the top creators that are similar, right? This is just one person, but this is exactly how I built all of my businesses, is I would find people in a similar niche. All right, so moving on to step number 4, this is where we actually go find affiliate products to sell. Now, if you don't know what an affiliate product is, it's essentially a product that you're partners with. It's somebody else's product that they created, and you get paid a commission. So it's one of my favorite business models because you can go find products that are already successful. You can become an affiliate, and when someone clicks on your affiliate link and they buy that product, well, then you get paid. Now, one of the easiest ways to find affiliate programs is simply going to Google. So you can go type in your niche. So for example, you know, you're trying to help people in health and fitness. So you can go say health and fitness affiliate programs, and you can see some of the top affiliate programs, right? Right here, 19 of the best affiliate fitness programs. You can go see how to become an affiliate here and how you can apply to become an affiliate, right? So you got Fitbit, it tells you the commission rates, you got Garmin, and you can kind of see all the things that you can become an affiliate for. Now, another place that you can go is a website called ClickBank. Now, this is essentially a network that has tons of affiliate programs that you can go apply for. So essentially, they've brought together some of the best niches and some of the top programs, and you can simply go to a network like ClickBank and find, you can see all the different categories here, and you could pick on a category such as cooking, food and wine, and you can see all the programs and how much commission that you get very easily. Now, if you want my top recommendation for the top 20 affiliate programs that you can become an affiliate for today and how you can start promoting them instantly, I want to show you how you can get started by going through our new Leave Your 9-to-5 Freedom Hackers Challenge, where not only where I show you how you can have multiple income streams with multiple affiliate programs, but how you can use this done for you unfair system to do it all for you, and how you can have it set up in just minutes. If you want access to that new challenge, I'm gonna leave it down below in the description, and in that description you'll get access to that challenge. We're gonna show you how to use this unfair software to promote multiple affiliate programs. All right, so step number 5, this is one of the most key elements to building a successful affiliate business. That's driving traffic to your affiliate product. Now, there's 2 main ways that you can go about this. There's the social media way, where you're creating content, you're putting yourself out there, you're making videos. And then there's a different way where you never show your face, you never talk on camera, and I'll show you both methods in this video. Now, method number 1 is simply by creating a blog. Now, you can create these blogs on free platforms such as Medium or even Google Sites. This specific blog is my personal blog, and this is what I use to drive traffic. Now, I actually created this on a software called Funnel Freedom, where you can create blogs like this. Now, basically what this is, it's an article that drives traffic to my affiliate products. Okay, so for example, you can see here, if I click on one of these are simply packed with value. And the main goal, as you can see, is I'm driving people to one of my products here, okay? So you can see tons of value in these articles, and these are all written so I can drive traffic, okay? That's the whole purpose of a blog article. Now, one of the cool things nowadays is you can actually use things like ChatGPT and Claude AI to write some of these articles. Now, I wouldn't just create it on ChatGPT and throw it up there. You're probably gonna wanna have you or a VA look over the blog, make sure it sounds good, and then you simply just add in your affiliate links throughout the entire blog. All right, the second method is actually going and creating content. Now, remember I showed you in the previous step that we want to go and follow people on Instagram, right? So for example, let's just say that you want to get into the make money online niche, basically what I'm doing, helping people quit their jobs. Well, you would want to follow someone like me or someone in my niche and see what type of content that they are creating. Now, the cool thing is that you can actually create videos on social media that look like this. Essentially, it's just like background videos of me doing something with some words on the screen, okay? And the whole purpose of this is to get people to your affiliate link. And as you can see, my links are right here, okay? So that's the whole purpose of this. Now, I do have videos where I do talk, as you can see, like something like this. And these videos also are amazing, but of course you have to start getting comfortable on camera. But if you don't want to get on camera, you don't want to start talking, then you can always make these videos right here where you're just putting words on a screen with a caption here. And as you can see, the main goal here is I want people to comment, or I want them to go click to this link here where they can go get access to the affiliate products. Now, it's important to understand here in my social media, I'm trying to speak to the people that I'm trying to serve, right? I'm not just trying to sell a product. I'm trying to help someone that I'm trying to serve, help them get a dream outcome. So again, for me, I'm trying to help someone who's struggling at a 9-to-5 job, who hates being there, to quit that 9-to-5 job and achieving the freedom that they deserve. So again, when you think about it like that, it makes things so much easier when you start to create content. Now, step number 6 is track what's working and track what's not. Now, this is really important because as you start creating content, whether it's an article or it's a blog or you're creating videos on Instagram or YouTube, it's important to understand what's working and what's not. And one of the easiest ways that you can track that is simply look, how many views, how many comments, how many likes am I getting on these, right? And if you're just starting out, you may be getting almost nothing, right? But let's just say you post 10 videos and 9 of them are getting maybe 50 to 100 views, right? But one of them is getting 300 to 400 views. So you want to focus on that video because that video did better than the other 9. So what you want to do next is make 10 more videos like that, okay? Same thing with a blog article. Let's just say you're making 5 articles, 4 of them didn't get that many views or clicks, but one of them got double or triple. You want to make something similar to that. So this is all about data, right? In this step, we want to see what's working, what's not working. But to do that, you have to create content. You have to continue posting, even if you think you're not good, even if you're scared, even if you're embarrassed. I promise you, you're going to get better at this. And I continue to do this every single week in my business. I look at something like this and I'm like, okay, this didn't do very well. It only got, 30 likes, 1 comment. Whereas if I go over here, this one got, you can see 69 likes and 75 comments, okay? Now, again, my views are relative to me, right? So maybe you don't have that many comments or that many views yet, but you just have to see which videos are standing out, okay? And I promise you, if you do this over time, you start to compound and you're gonna start to see what's working and you're gonna be able to grow your following and grow your income for your affiliate business. So at the end of the day, don't worry, don't compare yourself to other people that are getting more views. It doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is that you're growing and that you're learning and you're seeing what's working and what's not working. Step number 7 is figure out a posting schedule and stick to it for at least a full year. Now, this is going to tie back to the previous steps, but this is extremely important, not only for the success of your business, but to start building up authority with the social platforms that you're building in, okay? So you got to understand, if you're starting as a brand new beginner on Instagram or TikTok or YouTube, they don't trust you. You have no authority. So it's important to continue posting every single day or whatever it is that you want to be consistent with. That way, 1, your audience will start to find you. 2, the algorithm will start to trust you more and push your content out to more and more people. Now, my suggestion, if you're trying to create content, I would say at least 2 to 3 videos every single day. That way you're getting better faster. Now, as you start to learn what's working and what's not working, you can dial it back to 1 post per day. But the reason I say 2 to 3 per day is because you're not good yet. You need to figure out what's working and not working. So that's why it's better to have more data. The biggest thing with this step is being consistent, throwing things out there, seeing what works and what doesn't, and just throwing yourself out there, getting out of your comfort zone. Now, the final step is repurposing your content to other platforms. So let's just say that you're posting on Instagram as your main platform. Well, what you can do is take that exact same video and post it on TikTok or Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, or other platforms that are similar. And the whole purpose of this is you can start to expand, you can start to scale your affiliate marketing business. Now, if you want a complete step-by-step on how you can get started, but more importantly, how you can copy my affiliate system, my affiliate products in under an hour, then check the first link down in the description. That's going to lead you to my new Leave Your 9 to 5 challenge, where we're going to show you exactly how to get started. More importantly, you're going to have someone walk you through the entire process. And last thing, as a bonus, it's important to build your email list. Now, I didn't mention this in the steps because I just wanted to show you how you can start making money as fast as humanly possible. But if you want to do this for the long term, it's important that you start building your email list. So to do that, basically what you want to do is give away something for free. Give it away as a gift. That way you can start building your email list. Now, if you'd like, I'll give you my lead magnet that you can use as your own. That way you can start building your affiliate business and start building your email list. And to do that, we'll show you inside our brand new Leave Your 9 to 5 challenge, which I'll leave down in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video, and God bless.